Are you a student struggling to keep up with your lessons? Or a parent searching for a reliable educational resource that truly cares? You've come to the right place. Welcome to FEUNIX Distinctions, your premier channel for educational content designed for every learner. We understand the silent struggles that often go unnoticed, the frustration of slow-paced learners, and the need for solid foundations for all students. At FEUNIX Distinctions, we don't just teach. We are dedicated to guiding you every step of the way. Our teaching style is unique, simple, and incredibly effective. We make complex concepts easy to grasp and ensure that every lesson is both suitable and enjoyable, no matter your learning pace. Whether you're a fast learner looking for a new challenge or an average learner aiming to excel, our comprehensive methodology is built to support you. Join a community where no one is left behind. Subscribe to FEUNIX Distinctions today and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Let's make learning an exciting journey together.
I welcome you to today's class. We're going to move on. This is JSS 3 Mathematics, Lesson 9. And we're still on the topic, word problem. So we will move on. We are going to look at the subtopic. We'll look at the problems involving equations. Problems involving equations. We'll solve a few examples. Then in the next lesson, lesson 10, we'll round up this topic in order to move forward. Let's solve a few examples. Example 1. Let's solve example 1. The product of a certain number. The product of a certain number and 5 is equal to twice the number subtracted from 20. Find the number. Find the number. Please, this is direct. We just follow according to the words. The product of a certain number. Once I said a certain number, that means we don't know the number. We can use a letter to denote the number. The product of a certain number and 5 is equal to twice the number. The product of a certain number and 5 is equal to twice the number subtracted from 20. Please take note of this. It might have looked like twice the number subtracted from 20, like this, but this is wrong. This is not the way to express this. And this is one of the mistakes students make a lot in this topic. Let's do this. The product of a certain number and 5 is equal to twice the number subtracted from 20. It is twice the number that has been subtracted from 20. If you write it like this, this is correct. Please take note of this. It's very important in this very topic, word problem. So let's move on. X times 5 is 5x equals to 20 minus 2x. We'll collect like terms at this point. That is to say, this minus 2x will cross to the other side to go and meet its like term. So this will be 5x. When minus 2x crosses to the other side, it will become a positive 2x. This is our equal to 20. 5x plus 2x is 7x equals to 20. To get x, we'll divide both sides by 7. Divide both sides by 7. 7 cancel 7. X will be equal to 7 will go into 20 how many times? 2 times. That's 14. Remainder 6. Remainder 6 over 7. And that's the answer. Let's solve example 2. Example 2 says the sum of 35 and a certain number is divided by 4. Is divided by 4. The result is equal to double the number. Is equal to double the number. Find the number. As usual, we are going to analyze the question. Let's go. The sum of 35 and a certain number is divided by 4. The sum of 35 and a certain number is divided by 4. The result is equal to double the number. The result is equal to double the number. Find the number. Fine. So this is a fraction. This is a fraction. We can also make this one a fraction by writing over 1. So anytime you have fraction, you cross multiply. Whenever we have fraction, we cross multiply. So this 35 plus x times 1 is still 35 plus x equals to 4 times 2x is 8x. We'll collect like terms at this point. This plus x will cross to the other side to go and meet its like term, 8x. So we are having 35 equals to 8x plus minus x, please. 8x minus x, because when a positive crosses equality, it turns to negative. So this is 35 equals to 8x minus x. That is 8x minus 1x is 7x. 35 equals to 7x. To get x, we divide both sides by 7. 7 here 1, 7 here 1, 7 here 1, 7 here 5. So 5 equals to x, or x equals to 5. That's the answer. Let's solve one more example here. That's example 3. Example 3. The sum of 9 and a certain number is 1.5 is 1.5 times the original number. Find the number. Find the number. Now let's do this question. Looking at it, the sum of 9 and a certain number. The sum of 9 and a certain number is 1.5 times the original number. Find the number. This is 9 plus x equals to, let's change this mixed fraction to a proper fraction. 2 times 1, 2, plus 1, 3. 3 over 2 times x. 3 over 2 times x. That is 9 plus x equals to 3 times x is 3x all over 2. We put over 1 here and then we cross multiply. So 9 plus x times 2, that is 2 is going to multiply 9 plus x equals to 3x times 1 is 3x. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 9, 18. Plus 2 times x, 2x equals to 3x. We'll collect like terms at this point. This plus 2 will move to the other side to go and meet its like term. So we're left with 18 equals to 3x minus 2x. Because when a positive number crosses equality, it turns to negative. 18 equals to 3x minus 2x is 1x. 1x and x mean the same thing. So therefore, x equals to 18. X equals to 18. So we'll stop here. Then I'll leave you with assignment. In our next class, we'll solve an example on this topic. And then we'll leave the topic like that and move to another one. Solve this for me. Question number 1. The sum of 8 and a certain number. Sum of 8 and a certain number is equal to the product. Equal to the product of the number and 3. Find the number. Question number 2. 4 times a certain number. 4 times a certain number is equal to the number subtracted from 40. Find the number. The last question, question number 3. It says twice a certain number. Twice a certain number is subtracted from 9. Subtracted from 9 times the number. The result is 21. Find the number. Find the number. So this is the work you have to do. Let me write these answers for you so that if your answer is correct, you will know. If you solve number 1 correctly, your answer will give you 4. If you solve number 2 correctly, your answer will give you 8. If you solve number 3 correctly, your answer will be 3. So that is all for now. Do well to click the subscription button, click like, click share to help me to keep you posted for the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.